Deep in the stillness of the forest, a forgotten luxury icon rests beneath rust and moss, silent but not beyond saving.
Every blister in the paint and every crack in the metal tells the story of years without care.
The once proud chrome now stands dull and weathered, its elegance hidden beneath layers of corrosion.
The door opens slowly, revealing cracked leather, faded wood, and a cabin frozen in forgotten time.
The cables tighten carefully, and the heavy body begins to move after years of standing still.
Secured in place, it begins its journey not as scrap, but as a project worth saving.
Inside the studio, bright lights replace forest shadows, revealing every flaw in clear, honest detail.
A careful inspection begins, tracing dents and rust patches that must be repaired with precision.
Thick foam blankets the surface, loosening years of dirt while the scars remain untouched. As we restore every detail, subscribe to Classic Restore Hub, like this video, and comment below right now.
Clean water flows across the panels, revealing the true extent of wear beneath.
With steady precision, each lug nut loosens, exposing tired brakes and neglected components beneath.
Underneath, thick grime and corrosion reveal how deeply time has taken its toll.
The worn seats are carefully removed, uncovering hidden dust and moisture beneath.
The carpet lifts slowly, revealing rust spreading quietly across the metal floor.
Each screw turns with care, freeing delicate wood panels from the aging frame. Carefully labeled connections are separated, preparing the cabin for a complete renewal.
The hood rises slowly, revealing an engine coated in dust, yet full of potential.
A gentle wipe clears the dust, uncovering the heart that once powered silent luxury.
Steel chains tighten securely, preparing to lift the engine for careful restoration.
The engine rises slowly from its resting place, heavy with years of neglect yet ready for renewal.
Each bolt releases with steady pressure, separating worn components from the heart of the machine.
The valve cover lifts away gently, exposing internal parts coated in carbon and time. Careful brushing removes hardened carbon, revealing clean metal beneath layers of buildup.
Precision honing restores perfect cylinder walls. Subscribe to Classic Restore Hub, like this video, and comment below now.
The crankshaft surface gleams once more as each careful pass smooths away imperfections.
Measured torque clicks confirm each connection is secured with exact engineered precision. Degreaser spreads across the bay, dissolving grime while rusted edges remain visible.
Slow brush strokes lift away residue, revealing metal ready for proper treatment.
Sparks scatter softly as corrosion is ground away from weakened steel.
The orbital sander levels the surface, preparing damaged panels for reshaping.
Fresh steel fuses into place, strengthening areas once weakened by decay.
A smooth layer of filler restores proper contour to damaged body lines. Careful block sanding refines the surface until it feels perfectly even. Every edge is masked precisely, protecting details before primer transforms the surface. A uniform primer coat seals repairs and prepares the body for new color.
Fine wet sanding smooths the primer to a glass-like texture.
A final wipe removes dust particles, ensuring a perfectly clean surface.
Under bright inspection light, the surface appears smooth and ready for transformation.
Crystal clear coat seals the color beneath, creating a brilliant reflective finish.
A deep orange layer flows smoothly across the body, restoring richness and depth to every curve.
A deep orange layer flows smoothly across the body, restoring richness and depth to every curve. Crystal clear coat seals the color beneath, creating a brilliant reflective finish. Under controlled warmth, the finish cures slowly into a hardened mirror-like surface.
Ultrafine sanding removes tiny imperfections, smoothing the surface to perfection.
Watch this shine come alive. Subscribe to Classic Restore Hub, like the video, and comment below right now.
The restored chrome grille returns to its place, secured with careful precision. The rebuilt engine descends slowly, settling back into its freshly detailed home. Each torque click confirms strength, balance, and flawless mechanical alignment.
Refreshed leather seats glide smoothly into position, restoring comfort and elegance. Polished wood and refined controls are secured, completing the luxurious cabin.
The iconic emblem stands upright again, gleaming against flawless orange paint.
Refinished wheels are mounted securely, restoring stance and commanding presence.
Crystal clear glass reflects the studio lights with flawless clarity.
Small detailing brushes refine every edge, ensuring nothing is overlooked. The engine awakens smoothly, its quiet power flowing beneath flawless orange paint. It moves forward gracefully, orange reflections stretching across the polished floor.
Under golden sunlight, the rich orange finish radiates warmth and renewed prestige.
Inside, refined craftsmanship complements the brilliant orange exterior surrounding it. The mirror-like orange surface reflects precision, patience, and complete restoration. From abandonment to brilliance, subscribe to Classic Restore Hub, like this video, and comment below for more.